If you have never tried Cuban Mojo potatoes, you don't know what you're missing. You've got to try these. Start by cutting the Yukon Gold potatoes into equal sizes, in 1-inch cubes or smaller. The important thing is that they're roughly the same size. Rough chop half a red onion. Use a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. Hit it with the hot seeds. Mojo potatoes are meant to be spicy. Use fresh ground black pepper, sea salt, garlic powder, and adobo seasoning. Don't skimp on the mojo marinade. Coarsely chop some fresh cilantro. Definitely don't forget the sazon. Give it a good stir to mix all the seasonings. Slap them into a 400-degree preheated oven for roughly 20 minutes. Prep your scallion and cilantro topping. When the potatoes are almost cooked, run these things under the broiler for 3 to 4 minutes until crispy and brown. Look at that. Seriously, you gotta try these. These potatoes are delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.